Standing at the edge of this view, I couldn't help but feel small in such an expansive landscape. What is it about wide-open spaces like this that stirs something so deep inside us? Then, this was Rocky Mountain, Colorado, where the Highlands stretched endlessly, each inch alive with stories waiting to be captured. The sprawling greens and rolling hills below seemed to breathe in sync with the mountains above. They weren't just scenery, they were characters in a larger narrative, each peak and valley carrying its role. Moreover, this view, the hero of my frame, demanded attention. It wasn't just the sheer beauty of it all, though that was undeniable. Everything seemed to fit together, trees, shadows, and light, as if nature had created the perfect stage for this moment. When I first hiked up to this spot, I remember my gear feeling heavier with every step. But I pushed through, knowing the payoff would be worth it. Finally, there it was. The air shifted, cooler and sharper, as if the mountains themselves had whispered, "You've arrived." It was impossible not to be in awe. As I set up my camera, I wondered how many others had stood here mesmerized, yet unable to capture it themselves. My job wasn't just to take a picture. It was to make you feel like you were here. I focused on the details, pine trees framing the foreground, valleys leading to peaks, and snow on rocky summits. Then, I clicked the shutter, holding my breath as though I could somehow keep the moment from slipping away. Now, as you look at this photo, I hope you feel it too. The stillness, the magnitude, the pull of something bigger than yourself. What do you see in these highlands that speaks to you? This isn't just a view, it's a story you get to write.